Catching a negative thought in the moment, which we discussed in the last video, is defensive. But honestly, you wouldn't walk into a courtroom or an operating room without a plan. Yet, most high performers walk into high-pressure moments completely winging their internal dialogue. Hoping you'll feel confident is not a strategy. Today, we're going to script your mindset the same way an Olympic champion scripts their race. As a cognitive athlete, your biggest error is listening to your brain too much. Your brain is fantastic at commentary. It judges, it worries, it frets, but is often a terrible strategist in real time. The shift is to move from listening to your brain to talking to your brain. One of the foundational mental performance skills I work on with my clients is to help them develop their elite mindset. This is the foundation of high performance. If you let your mind run wild in a moment of pressure, who knows what thought it will come up with? You're going to fail. This task is impossible. Thoughts that will completely derail your performance. You need to tell your brain exactly what you wanted to think before the pressure even starts. This is not a theoretical concept. Look at how elite athletes use this. This is Olympian Anna Hall's mindset plan for the heptathlon, a multi-event competition. She has written down exactly what she will think in the Olympic event, and she rehearses it in practice every day. I put in the work. I deserve a big one. I am in control of my body. I can tell it what to do. Enjoy these moments. She isn't waiting for confidence to show up. She is commanding it. She is scripting her internal dialogue because she knows the pressure moment isn't the time to write the script. And our thoughts impact our emotions. If we're having thoughts that we might fail or we might mess up, then that stress emotion is going to be higher. The fear is going to be higher. And going back to video number 1, we're going to be out of control of our emotions and our performance. So you need to apply this scripting tool to your high-pressure day-to-day work, whether it's getting through a mountain of administrative work or having a high-stakes client call. Now, this tool has 2 parts. Number 1 is the daily script. Before your day starts or before your most critical task, write down 3 to 5 things you will think about the task. So you have a scenario. You're facing that never-ending to-do list. One script could be, focus on this one item. All I have is the next 60 minutes. Or, this is a clear challenge and I am the expert who can sort it out. Another scenario, maybe you have a high-stakes conversation. Your script could be, I will stay curious and listen for the facts, not the tone. Or, I have prepared for this. I will deliver my point slowly and clearly. The second part of this tool is the reset anchor. This is your emergency brake. This is the one phrase you use when the emotions get too high, or the focus gets off, or the panic sets in. It must be short, powerful, and easy to recall. Some examples: just run, dude, like Anna Hall wrote. Next play, slow is smooth, stay in your seat, or simply focus, or next task, one task at a time. So the next time you feel the derailment, you don't fight the negative thought. You replace it immediately with your cognitive anchor. You are immediately talking to your brain with a planned thought, not listening to its panic or overwhelm. You have your anchor and your daily plan. But there is one deep biological setting that can override all of that work: how you view the stressor itself. If your brain sees your job as a threat, you will always be fighting an uphill battle. You need to flip the switch to challenge mode. And I explain the science of that switch right here.